The Constitution of India, Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello my dear children, how are you all? Doing good? Yes, we meet again with another virtual class. Thank you to Amrita Shri of 4th B, Tejal Hari of 3rd C, Hima Pradesh of 3rd C and Akshit B of 3rd A for responding to the activities which I sent relating to the WH questions. I hope to see many such responses from rest of you all. Remember, last class I discussed about what, who and why. What refers to getting specific information about something. Why refers to a reason and who refers to a person or people. Today I am going to discuss the rest of the WH questions like where, when, which and how. Now let us have a look at these sentences. I am from Alathur. Here there is a reference to a place. Now look at the next one. The books are in the shelf. Over here there is a reference to a position. Whenever there is a reference to a place or position, we use where. We use where in our question. So the questions will be like this. Where are you from? The answer is I am from Alathur. The next one. Where are the books kept? The books are in the shelf. So here there is a reference to a place or a position. Alright. Let us look at the next WH question, that is when. It refers to time, occasion or moment. Now what is this occasion? Occasion means some kind of an event that we tend to make note of or we remember always. Now let's have a look at these questions. When is the party? When is the party? It's at 6 in the evening. Here we are referring to the time when the party is going to happen. The next one. When is your birthday? A very common question, right? Which you always tend to remember. When is your birthday? It's on 17th of January. Here we are referring to an occasion or an event. So when is always used with reference to time, a moment or an occasion. Alright. Next up is which. It's about asking an option or choice. For example, which is your favorite subject? Which is your favorite subject? English or math? So you choose between these two subjects and say my favorite subject is English or my favorite subject is math. So here you are given choices or option to choose. Look at the next question. Which one do you prefer? A burger or a sandwich? Which one do you prefer? You say, I prefer burger or you can say I prefer sandwich. So here we choose from the different options given to you. That is when we use which in our question. Moving on to the last one is how. It is the way, the form or the manner. Now let's look at these examples. How does it work? It works with the help of electricity. Here, electricity is the form through which it works. Next one. How do you go to school? I go to school by bus. Here, it is the way or the manner in which the action is performed. Okay? Just to have a recap of today's session, I discussed on where. It refers to a place or a position. When. It refers to time, occasion or moment. Then I talked about which. It is about giving options or choices. And finally, I discussed about how. It refers to the way, the manner or the form. So my dear children, WH questions play a vital role in our day-to-day life. If you do not understand the question properly, you might end up giving the wrong answer. So try to frame as many WH questions as a practice. Alright? Just have a look at this image. This relates to music. I am going to frame some WH questions relating to this image. What is your favorite music? Who is your favorite singer? Why do you like the music? When do you listen to music? So did I cover more than 2 WH questions? Similarly, try to frame 2 or more WH questions for these images and do send me your responses. I will meet you soon in my next class with something different.